Hello, my name is Gonna15994. I'm with my brother, Madman Porn32, and we are doing a mission. It's a motorcycle club, and we are gonna go down to the town of Rewood. Hope you guys enjoy it. Press the like and subscribe if you're new. Let's go. As you can see, I'm with my brother. Holy Jesus. You gonna jump out, or I'm gonna jump out? We've got to store the supply. I've never done this one before, I don't think. Oh shoot! I'm getting done. Oh shoot! Oh! Oh my god! Ah!
Oh, I just fucking fake right now. I couldn't do.
Yeah.
It's gonna be the chance.
No, you're gonna do my job. Alright, we've got to steal these vans. Look, yeah. I've got one, you need to get the other one behind me. Alright, we've got to travel to this yellow line now, so it's right down there, where his club is, weed farm is, even. Where are you? Oh, you're behind me, okay. Whoa! Holy shit! Oh shit! What are you doing?
Stop fucking around.
I'm not fucking around. Oh, I'm stuck, I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Are you in trouble?
Hey?
You in trouble? Do we drag you out?
Alright, we'll go.
How is it missing them? I threw like loads of bombs at him. How is it missing
Come on,
them?
fuck 'em, bro. Come on, fuck 'em in. Drive the fucking truck to the weed farm.
Alright. I'm still going. Come on.
If somebody gets shot, yeah, take supply.
Oh, I've been shot loads of times. Oh yeah, I can see my supply. Yeah. I've got like half a supply left. I didn't realise that. Right, we're going to his weed farm now. He's got one van left. Got one van. I've got the other van. We're going to the weed farm, deliver the trucks, and then we should be good. What should I do? If you guys enjoyed this video, press the like button, subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to hit that little bell button as well to get more notifications of my videos when the following comes. And we'll more uploading more videos soon during the week, so could look for that. Look out for that. I'll be doing more videos with my brother during the future, so look out for that as well. If you enjoy these runs, let me know and I'll do more.
Who's got the runs?
No, I meant this fly one, mate.
They what?
Yeah.
They couldn't do.
Yeah.
Give out a shit.
Sheesh, no, mate. Oh my god. Okay, I'm done with this video. If you like this video, subscribe, and no, if you like this video, press the red like button and subscribe if you're new. Add my brother up, Madman Porn 32. That's all for now. Goodbye.